guys and welcome back to my channel. The Thailand tan is clearly visible. I don't know if you can understand in the video or not, but if you see me in real life, the first thing you will tell me is Mansi, you have tanned a lot. So I just came back from Thailand a few days ago. If you follow me on Instagram, you know everything. So this is your sign to go follow me on Instagram to get daily life updates. But the trip was amazing. It was chaotic. That's the reason I couldn't vlog. I'm really disappointed that I couldn't shoot a lot of things. I had planned a lot of content for Instagram as well as YouTube, but कुछ shoot नहीं हो पाया. Anyways, I had a lot of fun. That was the main point of taking a trip, and this trip helped me understand what I really want from life a little bit. बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान तो नहीं आया, but थोड़ा बहुत आ गया. And if you guys want me to do like a detailed Thailand video, because this was my second time in Thailand. Last time I went with my brother, and this time I went with my college friends. So if you guys want me to do a detailed Thailand video, like what are the must things, what are the things you can skip, I can definitely do that. Do let me know in the comment section below. And let's get started. Before we start, I just want to show my cute nails which I got done for the vacation. So yes, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe to it right now. Go. I will simultaneously compare, and I have tried my best to cover as much as I can, but in case if I miss out any point, and in case if you want me to specifically talk on a particular point, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try to cover in my next video. So talking about corporate life first, corporate life definitely gives you structure and discipline. Like when I was working 7:30, I used to wake up 7:30 to 8:30, get ready, 8:30 to 9 have breakfast, 9:36 की मेरी गोरेगांव स्टेशन से ट्रेन होती थी, which I couldn't miss at any cost because my office is in Lower Parel, was in Lower Parel. So, and I had punch in punch out system. So anyone who has worked knows the punch in punch out system. You cannot punch in late more than 3 times in a month, otherwise half day का salary कटता है. So I had to reach office on time. There was no way I wake up late or I feel like, oh, I will go आराम से. No, not at all. When you are working, when you have a 9 to 5 job, you have to reach office on time, because if you don't, your salary will get cut. And no one wants that. And punch in time तो बराबर फिक्स होता था, पंच आउट टाइम कुछ फिक्स नहीं होता था. कभी कभी मैं 7 बजे घर आ जाती थी, बट कभी कभी मैंने सुबह 4 बजे तक भी काम किया है. Not to blame any agency or any person, but right now, because of the generation we are in, everything is so competitive. Anywhere you work, it just demands too much of your time, too much of your efforts, and which is unhealthy also. How much ever we want to be successful in life, a perfect work balance and like personal life balance is very, very important. Like even if I was coming home at 4 a.m., I could go next day by 12, but it really used to fuck my sleep cycle. So when you're working in a corporate structure, just make sure you're leaving office on time so that you get proper sleep, because this is the dark reality that no one tells you. Even if it's structured, जाने का time structured होता है, आने का time कभी structured नहीं होगा. You have to set your own boundaries. You have to tell your manager, you have to tell your senior that listen, I cannot work beyond this time, and whatever work it is, I can come tomorrow and I can complete it. So that boundary is very important. I did not have my boundaries, and I understood very late that अगर मैंने boundary नहीं set की तो मैं ही दबने वाली हूँ. So it's very, very important to set boundaries in corporate life structure, because no one else will do that for you. So that is one of the biggest things I learned. Discipline any day. जो discipline तुम्हें corporate life सिखाएगा वो किधर और तुम नहीं सीख पाओगे. Monday to Friday का इतना fixed schedule होगा. Friday, the moment I used to punch out, I remember feeling the best कि Saturday, Sunday is gonna be the best time of my week. But there were working Saturdays as well. होता है कभी कभी when campaigns are going on, you have to work, and there is no denial in that. But basically when you're working in a corporate life structure, it is literally like a marathon. You have to be on your toes all the damn time, and you will enjoy doing this only and only if you truly love your job, truly love what you're doing. Otherwise, after a certain time, you will literally start feeling forced, suffocated. Like I started feeling, why am I doing this? Like my heart didn't belong in there. So I really started feeling that I'm just pushing myself to do it for the sake of doing it. So you really need to love what you're doing to be able to pull that 9 to 5 job. Otherwise, it's gonna suffocate you and kill you by the end of it. Now that I've started content creation, my phone is my workplace, my ideas are my deadlines, and the best part, I'm not reporting to anyone. So if you're someone like me who hates reporting to anyone, or who hates being like, very like following the crowd, you want to lead your own thing, then trust me, either you start content creation or you start something of your own, like your own business. Because the younger you are, the more risk you can take. I always believe in that. You cannot take a risk at the age of 35 or 40. वो भी कर सकते हैं, but it doesn't sound good in reality. So let's be a little real. And content creation definitely requires a lot of mental discipline, because in the beginning you are your own planner, your own critic, everything. You have to trust yourself, you have to trust what your vision, your thoughts, what you're creating aligns with you, your audience, and stop overthinking about what others are going to say or have an opinion about. You have to truly give it like an honest shot, and believe in yourself that what you're creating will definitely be liked by people in the near future. So in the beginning, content creation can be very pressurizing, because I know personally a lot of people who want to do content creation, but they do not have the confidence to speak to the camera, or to they're just too afraid of log kya kahenge, they will talk about me like this, like that, and all of that thing. People are anyways gonna talk. If you think you can give it a serious shot, please go ahead and give it a serious shot, be it starting a new business or content creation. You never know what that shot might actually work out. I'm not gonna say that tum ek ya do video banaoge and it will click. When I say that you have to give it an honest shot, that means you have to wake up, you have to plan your content, you have to think if it's aligning. Content creation is not just about ideas and aesthetics. It's about making it relatable. Everything has to come together. Your vision, your execution, everything has to come together for it to be able to go to your audience. So yes, content creation is also not an easy task, guys. Yes, you are your own boss. That has its own pros but has its own cons also, because since you're not reporting to anyone, sometimes you might feel lazy, you might not want to work. But yes, you have to be highly mentally disciplined in order to be sincere and honest about your work. Now that I've given a fair overview of the 95 job and content creation, let's just dive into some reality checkpoints. Growth in corporate is very slow, so be prepared for that. While I'm sharing all of this, in no way I'm trying to disrespect or demean anyone I have worked with. This is just a fair experience which I think everyone should know about it, because no one talks about the bad part on the internet, but I feel everything should be out there clear. So yes, that's the reality check. The only thing I think that motivates in a corporate life is that fourth or fifth or whatever day your salary will get credited. That day is the best day, because money motivates you to work hard in life. That's a normal truth for everyone. I know a lot of people who want to do content creation who are already working in corporate life, but this is one of the biggest reasons, because corporate life comes with money stability as well. तुम कितना भी कुछ भी कर लो, every fourth or fifth of that month तुम्हारी salary तो तुम्हें credit होगी ही होगी, and that helps you to plan your expenses, improve your standard of living, plan everything basically. So this is one of the biggest reasons why 90% or 95% of the people are working today, is because money. And when it comes to content creation, the growth is very slow. You have to be extremely patient in the beginning. Like there will be years when you will be creating content and still feel like, oh, you're not getting the returns. Like right now, I have left my paid job to do content creation while I'm not earning anything from content creation. So this situation is extremely scary. While I knew I did not belong in the corporate life structure, but at least on every fourth of the month, I used to get that salary, and I just knew my entire month is planned, my trips are planned, my expenses are taken care of. So that confidence and that stability, definitely corporate life provides you. But when it comes to content creation, in the beginning, you have to be extremely patient. The growth is extremely slow, but once you pick, there is no going back. And this I can say from experience, is because when I was a talent manager, I know the kind of commercials these content creators used to quote for one video. Normal reels, 30-40 second reel, they used to quote 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, is because they had strong base, is because they had strong engagement. So to reach that level, you have to be extremely patient. And yes, the growth, so it's why, if you compare in corporate, after every 1 year mostly your performance is evaluated and then you get promoted, right? And in content creation, it all depends on your audience, how fast your audience connects with you, how fast your audience wants you to be the star. So it's literally like a game both the ways. But if you are looking for someone if you are someone who's looking for more financial stability, I will definitely recommend you for a 9 to 5 structure. But if you are someone who's more creative, who is ready to take that risk, who can take that risk, so please go out there and explore whatever you can. Start a new business, or like do whatever you feel your heart belongs in there. Because I will just conclude by saying that corporate lives give you the stability, structure, discipline, but content creation will give you the freedom to explore. It will give you the freedom to create. And yes, both have their pros and cons. It just depends where you feel the most natural. I'm 25 and I still don't know. I'm still figuring out. So I don't know if this will work out or not. But I am here to give my honest shot for the second time, because last time I truly didn't give an honest shot. So yes, hoping that this time it will work, and request you to help me in this journey. So yes, go and subscribe to my channel right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section below what is something you are trying to figure out. And yes, bye, take care.